Yo, we down here, bruh. Back in the hood. We ready for a little body surf session? What's is that the? Bruh, check that thing. Oh my gosh, down there, bruh. Yo, that's heavy. Look at that thing. Oh, there's waves, bruh. There's waves. Check that thing. Oh my gosh, heavy, bruh. I reckon we just sit up and go find a wave. What did you want to say, Reford?
My story?
Hey, back to nature. Keep it on, bro. We're about to have a crazy set. Connecting, bro. We're about to have the craziest body surf session ever. So we checked it. It's a bit wonky. We're still trying to figure out what we're actually going to do. But like, I think we're on, bro. It looks gnarly though. Like this wave is not. This is sketchy, bro.
It's the one on the right.
Oh!
No. I ride math tomorrow. All my friends are like busy grinding their maths. My boyfriend called me, doesn't have a calculator for tomorrow. I haven't even opened a book.
Don't be like Reford people.
I'm giving you content.
Thanks, thank you. We appreciate you. Okay, let's go. Low key nervous, bro. I know. This one's waddling a bit funny there, bro.
It's a bit dropping too soon.
I love how it just gets bigger the more we walk down. See this?
That's like me, I wave, it's like an overhead wave now.
I think it's way overhead, bro.
Ooh, that thing is massive now.
Look at this thing in front. Oh my gosh. Low-key a little bit sketchy, but we're going to get on it, bro. Don't try this at home, guys. We are trained professionals.
No, we are not. I got forced into it.
He's joking.
Oh my god, buddy. We haven't been on this. This is way bigger than it looks. Bro, I was expecting it to be like that.
It's just laugh, bro. We open the water, get wet, and we leave.
Check that thing there, bro.
GoPro footage got deleted. We got water. Oh.
That thing's ripping there also, bro. Okay, if this is gnarly, we can come here because it's a lot smaller here. Look at this thing. Oh my sack. Holy crap. People, do not try this at home. Do not try this at home, but we're chilling. We're trained professionals. We are prepared. Oh my sack, below sea level. We're about to go crazy. Okay, let's sit up, then we get out. Okay, let's go. Let's go have some fun. Woo! It's been a while, but we're getting in the water. Go! Water's cold, bro. Go, Ethan, go! Go, Ethan!
There's no disguising how I feel whenever I'm with you. I've waited till
Right, it's so difficult to tell.
to look into those starry eyes and say the words that I'm thinking of.
Go! Go! We got so cool. We got to get refund. Look at that thing. Go left, go left, go left. You died. Ball's not there.
So let's start
I got bro, this water is just like whoop, all the way out. Oh my god, Destin, Destin! Lucky Dolly. What's up, Go! Yeah, we're gonna go try and walk down there. It's quite gnarly, yeah. Let's go walk down there and see if it's barreling. Okay, we moved over to a new spot. We're gonna check. Hopefully, this is actually barreling. It wasn't barreling there, it was just sketchy as balls. Psycho!
You're anxious.
Say it, Reefers. God! God, let them! Over there. Yes, indeed. Look at that thing! Oh my gosh, that thing was sick. Man almost killed himself, man. Yeah, that's a little bit deep.
I swear if you do not care about my house, it's kind of making that long.
Let's go back there. Look at that thing! Oh my god! We out here! Woo! Reno's gonna kill himself if he tries. Oh, I said what hard. It's pulled out. Oh my gosh, Destin! Destin! Go Destin! Go Destin! See you, Rufus. Behind you comes a big one. Hold it, hold it, hold it, go, go, go! Go, Rufus! That thing was psycho. I know. We got that, Rufus. Listen. Oh. It's like just not where we are. Pretty fun. Go! Reaper, that was it! Do you taste it? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Go, Esther! It's fast! Bro, where does it keep going to cook now? Tell you what. Go, Reeford! Go, Reeford! Let's go! Okay, one more. Make the take of this time, bro. That thing was crazy. It's invade that thing, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. That thing. Thing was good. What do you rate the fish?
One word.
Bruh, that was heavy.
Oh, yeah,
Did you think we were gonna die?
But then in the beginning, there was like that one set that didn't over my head.
That was vibes. That was a good session. I haven't even been in the water in like a month, so it was nice to get in the water.
You got so much sand in your head.
Bro, I've got, my neck is so sore, I like problems in my neck. Okay, let's get out of here, I'm getting cold.
Now I'm gonna go study.
Oof, good session. If it's running maths tomorrow, guys, leave a comment down below if it's, good luck, bro, good luck. That was a sick vibes. It was kind of scary, kind of gnarly. In the beginning, thought we might die. But it was so much fun to get out there.
That's the best ever I had on the bodyboard.
Really? I just saw Reefer coming past me, bro, and I was tweaking, and then he made it. I was like, what? Ow. Bro, the only problem is, like, so sandy. My neck, so sore, bro. Oh my gosh. Just finished up. On our way home. Good session with the boys. What must they do, Destin?
Hit the like, subscribe, comment.
We out here. We're going home. Good session. Nice to feel scared again. That was vibes. Okay, let's go. You know what to do. Leave a like, subscribe below. Back into the next video. Let's go.